Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to No Max TV, and also welcome to this social media management course with AI or with ChatGPT. So in this tutorial we're going to be talking about how you can be managing social media or running about social media, gaining social media skills by using AI or ChatGPT. You can be using ChatGPT or other associated artificial intelligence tools, and also be able to manage social media as well. You can be using AI tools to generate ideas, generate content, and other information that can be helping you to manage social media as well. So before starting this course, remember to subscribe to this channel Max TV, like this video, share it to your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in a comment section. Without wasting time, let's get started. So in this course, maybe you are a beginner and you are thinking about social media management skills, and you are thinking about social media jobs. So, and you want to be knowing about the skills you are requiring, and so you want to be knowing about how you can be doing that kind of job, and you want to be knowing how can you be managing the employees you have to be operating on your social media. So this is the best course that is going to be helping you to learn about this. So if we talk about what is about social media, if we talk about social media management jobs, you can see those are the jobs that include performing various activities and also implementing the social media strategy of the given organization to be operating well. So you can use these ChatGPT or other artificial intelligence tools to be generating information, or to be aware of the jobs that the employees you have hired or the people that who are going to be working for you are going to be accomplishing. So in social media management jobs, that is where it include developing the content or creating the content as well. Also, that is where they include community engagement, which is where you have to be emphasizing on working on the social media, collaborating, building building the social media to grow, collaborating with the audience, and also performing various activities to ensure that the social media are growing. So you can see that is also where you implement the social media strategy as well. And also after implementing social media strategy, also another important role that you have to perform is that you have to ensure that you do analysis and the reports. So you check the reports and analytics of how the social media are performing. Also, you can be participating in paid social media advertising and also social media compliance as well. So you can see by using a tool like ChatGPT, you can be now getting to know what really you are required to do if you are hired as the person who's going to be doing the given job or the given social media job. That means so you don't need to be confused about the roles you are going to be performing, the activities you are going to be performing if you are a beginner. And also you can be using the tools like AI or ChatGPT, and also get information of how you can be doing those jobs as well. So beside this, you can also learn about the skills that you are required to do, you are required to be having, so that you can start learning and also be able to start your own work as social media manager as well. So skills required to become social media manager. So you can see if I search the skills required to become social media manager. You can see I'm also getting the kind of skills that I might be wanting, those I need to be having in order to be the social media manager of the given organization. And also is the ChatGPT or other artificial intelligence tools, you can be able to get the skills that you want, which include the social media platforms, proficiency, content creation and copywriting, community management, so analytics and data interpretation, strategic thinking, paid advertising knowledge, graphic design as well, because we'll be participating in promoting ads or establishing ads. Also, there is customer service orientation, because you need to be interacting with the audience who are interacting on day to day on the social media platforms. So there is a project management, understanding the SEO principles or search engine optimization principles, to be able to promote the social media, to boost it to a wide range of audience. Also, you need to be able to understand the legal and ethical awarenesses which you have to follow while also using those social media accounts. That means even though I'm going to be using the social media, to be posting the social media, to be managing the social media accounts, but you need to ensure that you follow the legal procedures, and also you follow the privacy laws, you follow the ethical laws, and also make sure that what you post and also the way you do your work is under ethical considerations without deviating any kind of rules. So you need also to know how you can be doing this. That means here we're not going to be getting most of the content that you want to be having as well. And what you need to do, you can be for example, you can be coming here and ask ChatGPT, so I want to become social media, to become a social media manager. So can you give me the plan to follow within 1 month to acquire the social media management skills, so that by the end of that 1 month I must be able to start the social media management job. So now as you see, I asked ChatGPT so to guide me with the plan or the action plan of what I need to be also ensuring, and the key considerations as well to follow, so that I become a social media manager within 1 month. So as you see, it is also can be providing with me a good plan that I can be following, and also I can be customizing it to be meeting my needs, and also it's going to be helping me to run a very efficiency skills that I might need, and also to be able to do the social media management job by the end of the month. So after it has provided you with the skills you want, after it has provided you with also the strategies and also the requirements that you need to become a social media, you can also be facilitated to get a plan as well, a guide as well, which you need to follow, and also be able to become a successful social media manager. So as you can see, within this guideline, you can see the first week it's told me to understand the basics. So the basics is to research on the social media platforms. You understand the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, how those are they working. The second day also, and the further day to fifth, you create a personal social media account as well to be having the social media I would be using. And also you have to day 5 and 7, you don't need to run the social media management tools. And also for the week 2, it's about content creation and copywriting. So here's where I want to be running running basic graphic design using tools like Canva, Adobe Spark, and the other tools that you might be wanting to use in your social media activities. So the next day is practice creating a simple image and graphics for social media that you might be using in your everyday life, and also that you'll be using to or to be also promoting the social media as well. So you can see the copywriting with day 11 up to 13. So if you scroll down, you can see that I have day 28 to day 30 where I will be reflecting and optimizing your skills or your content, what you have already learned from your social media journey. So this is what also you can be using this. You can be using ChatGPT or other artificial intelligence tools like Google Bard and others to be able to have the effective plan that you can be following to become successful social media manager. And also you can be using all these ones to be generating the ideas which can be helping you in your journey of becoming social media manager, and also be equipped with the skills and information required to be operating on this role. So you can be using this, and you can be customizing the question, you can be customizing the plan. Also you can be getting the hint of how you're going to be formulating your plan, and also reflect on what you need to be changing, and also what you need to be gaining, so that you can be having the effective and clear plan which is meeting your needs as well. By using this, it can help you to add the relevant skills that you need to be growing in your social media domain as well. Remember to like this video, share this video to our friends, and also subscribe to this channel. Remember to turn on notification and bell button so as you always get notified when I upload a new video here at Know Max TV.